In this video, I want to share with you how I find keywords to write a Merch by Amazon listing. Hello everyone, my name is Mike. I'm a full-time print-on-demand seller. I make YouTube videos showing you how to make more money on Merch by Amazon and Etsy. If you like this kind of content and you get any value out of this video, make sure to subscribe to the channel, click the bell, and like the video. But before I share with you how I find keywords to write Merch by Amazon listings, I just want to do a quick sales update for Merch by Amazon. So it's currently Sunday, 4:39 p.m., sitting at 39 sales, 1 return, $36 in royalties. That's going to put me at 1,353 sales for the month and a total royalties of $2,026. If you want to follow me on Instagram, where I post my daily sales for both Merch by Amazon and Etsy, the link is in the description. I also post like gym pics, entrepreneur pics, lifestyle pics, just like my life down here in Mexico. I'm born and raised in Mill Valley, California, but I've actually been living in Puerto Vallarta, Mexico for the past 18 years. Okay, so let's go ahead and get into the content of the video. So lately, I've been getting a lot of comments on my videos asking me if I can do a video on SEO, how to find keywords for Merch by Amazon listings. And since I've just been doing so many niche videos, I figured I would switch it up and do a video like this. So the way I like to do it, well, first, to be honest, honestly, I'm not really the best when it comes to keywords. I'm kind of lazy, and I'll just basically copy and paste my title and use it as bullet 1 and bullet 2. But that's probably not the best way to do it. It's better to find a lot of keywords so that, you have more chances to get found when people search. All right. So I'm going to, if I were to, want to write the best listing ever, this is how I would do it. So I'm going to use the niche quesadilla. I'm choosing quesadilla because it's kind of a broad niche, and there's a lot of keywords that are related to it. The more related keywords that has, the more diverse or the better your listing is going to be. So I'm just going to pop that into Merch Informer. And when we come over here to Amazon, just a quick note, there's only 389 results, so this actually could be a good niche. But what I like to do is I just like to go ahead and take a look at the top 4 or top 8 listings and just dive into each listing and just see what keywords they're using in each listing. So let's just go ahead and take a look at this first one right here. Open that up into a separate tab, and let's click on it. And what I want to do is I want to be like a detective, and I want to find keywords that I could use for my listing. All right, so we got quesadilla, we got funny. So there's 2 ways to spell quesadilla. Oh, quesadilla. Okay, so funny could be one, but what I like to do more is I like to go down here to the bullet points. And let's see what we got here. So this design features the quote, quesadilla, showing love for the traditional Mexican food. Okay, so right here, traditional Mexican food, that could be a keyword. So I'm going to copy that, and I'm just going to go ahead and open up a blank document. I'm going to go ahead and paste that in. And actually, I need to turn off my dark reader because I don't like how it highlights in black like that. So let me just turn that off, and let's go ahead and copy that again. Come over here to Pages. I'm going to delete this, and let's see if it works. Okay, so there we go. So there we got one keyword, and basically what I'm doing is I'm just going to write a list of keywords from these listings. So let's see here. Let's see if we can find another one. Perfect for men. Okay, so quesadilla lovers. That's another keyword. I'm going to copy that. And now we got 2 keywords so far. Mexican food fans. That could be another one. And basically what I want to do is I want to get the more the better, but I think 10 to 12 or 10 to 15 is probably a good amount. But now that we're done with that one, let's go back here and open up this next listing up and see what we find in this listing. Okay, Cinco de Mayo. Okay, so that could be another one right there. Copy that. So you can see what I'm doing here. And basically what I'm doing is I'm just going to, I don't like how it's all big like that. Let me try that again. So Cinco de Mayo. We got Cinco de Mayo coming up. Actually, that's going to be the next big holiday in May. I'll probably have a video about that one. Let's go ahead and get rid of this big font right there. And let's go back to this listing here. Let's see what else we can find. Get this funny just to go saying graphic tee, quesadilla lover. We already have that. Celebration, perfect gift. Okay, perfect gift for people who like quesadillas and other Mexican and Italian delicacies like burritos, tacos. Okay, so here we got some keywords. Burritos, tacos, nacho. Probably not going to use pizza because that's not really related to Mexican food. Chili con, oh, they spelled carne wrong. But burritos, tacos, and nachos, those are some good ones. So let's go ahead and paste those, and let's just make them like bullet point style. All right, we're done with that one. Let's go back here. Let's go ahead and click on this one right here. So let's see what we have. Peace, love, quesadillas. Okay, do you love quesadillas? Does your mom say, make yourself a dang quesadilla? Well, this is the perfect product for you. Peace, love, this product is perfect for quesadilla lover. Now, we already have that one. Let's see, Mexican food. I think we have that one as well. Taco restaurant. Okay, that could be one. And let's see, how many keywords do we have now? So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so we need a couple more. So let's just keep going here, see what we can find. Let's click on this next one, this tank top. I'm just here for the quesadillas. Funny. Okay, we could maybe use funny. That could work. That's always a good one. Funny. Oh, did it again. Shoot. There we go. Let's see what they have in their bullet points. Do you love eating quesadillas or making quesadillas? And this is the design. Show the whole world that you really just awesome quesadilla. Okay, so not really anything in that one except for the word funny. Let's go back here and we'll just check on this one. But you can see what I'm doing here. I'm basically just building a list of keywords on some of the best sellers. So you had for this niche, quesadillas. You had me at quesadillas, funny quesadilla design for women. This quesadilla design features you had me at tacos, showing love for the traditional Mexican food. Okay, we already have that one. Okay, quesadilla lovers, Mexican food. Okay, so I think we got for the most part. Well, let's just try that last one because there was one more, I think. This one. Or was it the same one that I just looked at? Okay, I think it was the Mexican dish. Okay, so there we go, Mexican dish. So I think that will put us at 10. And now basically what I want to do is I want to write a title and a bullet point 1, a bullet point 2, and a brand with these keywords. All right, so let me just pause the video and I'll show you how you do that. Now, before I do the actual keywords, we got to go ahead and get a design. So I'm just here on Creative Fabrica. I typed in quesadillas, and I found this one right here. And when we click on it, we're going to see that it comes with the commercial and full POD usage allowed. If you want to sign up for Creative Fabrica, I do have an affiliate link in the description. So I went ahead and I downloaded this, and I uploaded it onto Merch by Amazon right here, and then I have the app, the merch lister, where if I just hit Alt, I have a hotkey basically, and it will set everything up for me, the colors that I want, the products I want selected. It will actually even add in the prices, select men's, women, and youth, and then I just like to double check and make sure that black is selected because I want the mock-up to be black for both the premium shirt and the standard shirt, and also for the hoodie, because those seem to be the ones that sell the best. Okay, so now we got our design. This is what it looks like right here. Just a boy who loves quesadillas, and we want to write the title. So I'm just going to go back to my list right here, or my Word document. Why does it want to pull up? Oh, it's freezing on me. Okay, so sorry about that. I think that it froze on me for a second. Okay, so I just want to pull this up, get some ideas here, and I'm going to go back here and I'm going to type into my title. So I think something like funny case, am I spelling that right? Quesadilla, funny quesadilla lover, Cinco de Mayo. Basically, I'm just like keyword stuffing, Cinco de Mayo. And basically what I'm doing here is I want like main keywords, primary keywords, and also I like to add in who the demographic, who's it for. So this one right here, we're going to see it says just a boy who loves quesadillas. So this is going to be for boys, men, also like toddlers or kids. So I want to add in those keywords. So funny quesadilla, should I put the S there? Quesadilla lover, Cinco de Mayo, boy, kids, toddler, men, shirt. So something like that. All right, and then what I will do here for the brand, I will probably just do something like quesadilla Mexican food. Okay, so I think I spelled that wrong. Mexican. Okay, so let's go back here to the Word document. Hopefully it doesn't stall on me. So we got quesadillas, we got that one, so we can put that in bold. We got Cinco de Mayo, and we got funny, right? I think those are the ones that we've used so far. Now what we want to do is we want to go ahead and we want to write the first bullet point. So I would write something along the line, something like this. Do you love traditional Mexican food? Whoops, let me make this a little bigger. Do you love traditional Mexican food? You are going to absolutely love this. Let's see if we can this funny design. Or maybe you're going to absolutely love this funny quesadilla lover design. Maybe an exclamation point. This design is perfect for, let's see what other words we can add in here. So Mexican food fans. So for Mexican food fans who love tacos, burritos, and nachos. So I spelled something wrong here. Quesadilla. Oh, it wants me to put a little dash in between, but I don't think I'm going to do that. Okay, so do you love traditional Mexican food? You're going to absolutely love this funny quesadilla lover design. This design is perfect for Mexican food fans who love tacos, burritos, and nachos. Okay, so let's go back to the list here and see what we can knock off. So we got traditional Mexican food. We got Mexican food fans. We got all three of these. And we still got taco restaurant and Mexican dish. Let's see what I can come up with. This design is perfect. Perfect or great for people who like, what was it again? Who like taco restaurants and Mexican dishes. All right, so there we go. That's the first bullet point. We got almost all the characters filled out, and then we want to fill out the other one. Now, for the second one, I basically just want to keyword stuff with like demographics and holidays. So I'm just going to do something kind of similar, like this design is great for people. Oh, this design is great for women, men, moms, dads. Even if it's not real, I still like to use them. This design is great for women, men, moms, dads, boys, girls, kids, and toddlers for Christmas, Halloween, Thanksgiving, 4th of July, and birthdays and anniversaries. Okay, did I spell that right? Something like that. All right, so that would be my second bullet point. I think I spelled that wrong, so anniversaries like that. And then I like to go ahead and I click this button, which will add both of the bullet 1 and bullet 2 together. So it added it right here. And now I just want to kind of double check anything and check to see if anything is trademark. Okay, do you? I'm not going to worry too much about that. Let me see. Do you? If I can do something different than do you? Do you love traditional? Are you? Do you? You do? Okay, I'm not going to leave it because I don't think do you is going to get me in any trouble. But I just saw that I spelled that wrong. So I don't know why that's coming up as trademark, but I'm not going to sweat it too much. Looks like everything else is okay. If there is something that's red like this, it is recommended not to use. Let's see if I can come up with something different. Do you love traditional Mexican food? Let's just go with like, let's go with like, are you crazy about, so I ran out of keywords. Are you crazy for, so I need some more keywords here. This design is great for people. Oh man, you are going to get rid of absolutely. Are you crazy about traditional Mexican food? You're going to love this funny quesadilla. Okay, so there we go. So now we can go ahead and get rid of this. This video is taking a little longer than I kind of expected. Let's go back here And let's go with like bullets. Okay, and let's do one more check here. Take a quick sip of coffee while this is loading. And for people, oh man. All right, so we got to fix this. Great for those who love taco restaurants. Again, we got to do this again. So this is why I don't really like writing out all these bullet points, because it just takes too long. And honestly, the more keywords that you use, the more you open yourself up to a rejection. So honestly, I would never do this. I would just copy and paste my title for bullet 1 and bullet 2. But I know a lot of people like to see, you know, these type of videos on how you find keywords. But I got to do this again because I'm trying to get up as many designs as possible. Because honestly, I know people aren't probably going to agree with this, but in my opinion, the keywords are not that important. As long as you're using a niche that is low in competition, all you really need is that main keyword, you know, like quesadilla, for example. But what the hell do I know? Why did I do it again? Great for those people. Didn't I get rid of that? Oh, maybe I didn't. Okay, what's going on here? This design. Great for those. Okay, so let me try it again. Okay, so there we go. Looks clean. All right, so there we go. Then I would just go ahead and upload it right here, and that is how, or that would be my process if I wanted to write like the perfect Merch by Amazon listing using as many keywords as possible. So you saw what I did. I basically just type in the niche, and I just study or kind of copy some of what the other best sellers in that niche is, what keywords they're using. I'll make a Word document like this, and then I'll just basically use all the keywords from my list right here in my Merch by Amazon listing. All right, so that is going to be the video for today. If you want to support the channel, make sure to comment, like, and subscribe. I got a couple of affiliate links in the description for Creative Fabrica and Flying Research. And if you want to know how I get sales like this on a regular basis, make sure to check out the first link in the description. It is a course for Merch by Amazon. It's good for beginners or for people that are struggling to get sales on Merch by Amazon. All right, so thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Adios.